बहुत आई गई यादें मगर इस बार तुम ही आना, इरादे फिर से जाने के नहीं लाना, तुम ही आना।
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Tiwari and you're watching my channel Miss Good Rebel. So today I have done this look and it was quite a task for me because I have attempted something literally for the first time. Sharing here the clip of how I did this makeup and hope you like it. First I'm using a foundation. This is Maybelline foundation and I'm trying to cover my face with foundation evenly with the help of a beauty blender. I'm taking some extra foundation on the beauty blender and applying it under my eyes since I have a lot of dark circles these days. I'm applying here a generous amount of foundation so that my face is properly covered. Now I'm applying the foundation on my eyelids. It is important to put some foundation, concealer and set it with a powder before you apply any eye makeup. At least that's important for me because I'm a beginner and my eyes do not come out very clean without a makeup base. Now I am using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is a very nice concealer when it comes to application. Again, I'm applying it very generously. I'm applying a lot of concealer under my eyes and trying to mix it properly and dab it with my fingers. Now as usual I'm taking this Lakme Rose powder with sunscreen to set my base, and I have just one setting powder other than Maybelline Compact, so I use it very often. Now I am covering my eyelids and the upper portion of my eyes with the help of a concealer. I'm concealing everything over my eyes so that I get a clean base for the application of eyeshadows.
For the record.
Now I'm taking this brown shade from the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, carving out my eyes with this eyeshadow. Now I'm filling in the eyeshadow properly on my eyelids, and this is a very dark shade. The brush that I'm using is a flat brush from Nykaa, and it helps you apply the eyeshadow color evenly on your eyelids. Now I'm taking a very precise, eyeshadow brush, and with this I'm creating the edges of my eyes. This color is slightly dark green in shade. It is appearing as if it's a black in color, but it's actually dark green in shade. Since we are going to create, a golden yellowish green kind of a thing, so I'm taking the base as dark green. After both my eyes have been slightly covered in this dark green shade, I am recoating the color so that the color becomes intense and and comes out brightly. So I'm blending it properly in circular motions and also trying to make the color stick to my highlights. This is the third color coating that I'm doing. So now my eyes are completely green in color. As you can see, it's a different kind of a green, sort of algae green, I'd say. Now the color is really dark and intense, and you can see it's really dark green in color. So now comes the shimmery part. Now I'm taking light green shade from the palette eyeshadow Sparkle, Midnight Sparkle, and I'm applying it with my finger. You don't need a gum glue for these eyeshadows. They are really sticky in nature, and आप अगर किसी भी बॉडी पार्ट पर अभी ये साथ साथ लगा देंगे तो you can see those glitter particles all over your body. So थोड़ा careful होके लगाना होता है ये. You have to be really careful for this, otherwise you end up shimmering up all over your face. Now I have applied the eyeshadow all over my eyes, and you can see how colorful, how sparkly my eyes look. Since हमने लास्ट में कॉर्नर में वो डार्क ग्रीन शेड की आउटलाइन छोड़ी हुई है, तो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. नाउ आई एम डूइंग माई अंडर आइज विद दिस सेम शेड. Now I'm going to make my eyelashes look voluminous with this Maybelline mascara. Now I'm sweeping away all the sparkle or eyeshadow color which has fallen down under my eyes. With the help of an earbud, I am cleaning all the excess of eyeshadow that lies under my eyes to get a clean eyeshadow. It's time to give the final touch to my face. I'm taking a crayon from Sugar Cosmetics and coloring my lips. Adding some highlighter under my eyebrows. comes the blusher from LA Colors, and now I'm applying it on the cheekbones of my face.
Pretty, 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 pretty.
So guys, this was all about how I did this eye look. Hope you like it. It was my first ever try, so if I can do it, I am sure we all can do it. You all can do it. Hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.